Hi, do you want to break into product management and are looking forward for a course or a certification but don't know which one you should opt for? There is a huge problem right now. If you do a Google search and you will look forward for a course or the certification into product management, you will find a huge amount of courses that are or the certifications that are available online, and these courses ranges from rupees 500 to 5 lakh or 6 lakh rupees. And on a regular basis, a lot of people reach out to me with these questions. Should I do a product management course or not? How much helpful a product management course or not? If I have to do a product management course, which one I should choose? Okay, is there any reputed online product management course available right now? There is a post-graduation certificate that is being provided by XYZ Academy. Should I opt for this or not? There are a lot of questions that are popping in. In this video, I will share with you, should you go ahead with a certification or course into the product management or not? If yes, then which one you should choose? What are the traits that you should look forward in a course? Hi, my name is Sachin Sharma. I'm a job readiness coach who helps aspiring product managers break into the product management role in just 90 days. I'm having 9 years of experience into product management, and I've helped 400 plus aspiring product managers through my one-to-one mentorships. So, in this video, I will share with you that which course you should opt for, okay? And first of all, let's talk about when you should go ahead with a course. There is a huge myth that to break into product management, you need a course. You don't need a course or certification. It's not a mandatory thing. A course or certification can give you only a structured learning. A lot of people are having a myth that after doing a course or certification, it will guarantee you a job. No, that's a huge myth. Okay? So, for those people who are expecting that a course or certification can guarantee you a job, this is a huge myth, please. And if you are opting for a course considering all these things, please don't opt for this thing. Now, the question comes in that which course should I go ahead with? There are 5 primary traits that I feel a course that you should go ahead with. Number 1, it should not be highly expensive. There are a lot of courses, as I mentioned, that ranges up to like 6 lakhs, okay? So any investment above 50 to 60,000 or up to 1 lakh is good. Anything more than that is highly expensive. I don't recommend that you should go invest more than that. Secondly, there are multiple type of courses that are available these days. There are 3 types of courses primarily. Number 1, recorded courses. Number 2, cohort-based courses. And number 3, cohort plus live courses. I had done a survey and I got that more than 67% people are interested in recorded plus live courses. Here's a huge benefit of recorded plus live course. With a recorded course, you can learn at your own pace. If you are having, like in a cohort-based course, you are having a limitation that you need to wait for learnings up to 8 weeks or the 6 weeks or something like that. Okay, but till the time it will go on. But in a recorded course, you can learn at your own pace. If you are having a time, if you are on a weekend, you can learn, go through all the recorded courses and start implementing right from there. Secondly, because there is a live part as well, so in the live part, you can get your queries addressed. One thing that I would also recommend, if in a course, you will also get a one-to-one mentorship or an audit by your mentor, then that would be highly useful for you. Because in a cohort or when you are in a live course, here there is a huge bulk of students and everyone is not having the same problem. Different people are having different problems, people are coming from different backgrounds, so they need a personal attention. And through this one-to-one mentorship or a regular audit, you get this leverage. Third trait, that this course should cover 360 degree. When I'm saying 360, I've seen there are lots of courses available that only talks about the skills, that help you only build skills. But to get a job, you need to be job ready. And job readiness is not only about the skills. You need a lot more other skills, like how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile, how you should build your resume, how you can apply for a job, how you should prepare for an interview, how you should track everything and then improvise yourself. So it should cover everything. And the fourth trait, that it should not have a longer duration. Anything above 4 months is not, according to me, I will not recommend that. Okay. And the fifth trait, it should give you practical knowledge. When I'm talking about the practical knowledge, I had seen a lot of courses, or the code-based courses, or the live courses, all type of courses, where they will ask you to create a case study, or they will ask you to create a tear down. You don't need to, in a real scenario, you don't need to create case studies or the tear downs. You need to work on live products. So if you will get a practical knowledge of building things from the scratch in a particular course, you should opt for that. So guys, if you find this video useful, register for my upcoming webinar where I will share with you my 6 super powerful secrets to break into product management in just 90 days. And guys, don't forget to like and comment with your learnings that you got from this video. Thank you.